Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark in PDF document. Now for us to get this done, what I want to do is head over here and we're going to utilize I love PDF. And then I'm going to click this one right here. And then let's go ahead and search for watermark. Let's go ahead and click this, select watermark, select PDF. I'm going to choose the first one right here. Now there are two ways that we can do it. So we can either place a text. So this, for example, I love PDF, and then you can go ahead and click this in order to position where you want to put that particular watermark. And then you also have the transparency. So how would you like it to be visible? 25%, 75%. Personally, I prefer 25%. And then there's also the rotation. So go ahead and choose with this one. And I'm going to show you if we are going to add it. So let's go ahead and see this. All right, there you go. So as you can see, we have it here. Now there's also the second option. So we can also go ahead and add an image. So to do that, we have it here again. I'm going to go ahead and put here in the middle, choose place image, and then click this in order for you to add your image. I'm just going to choose that for now. And there you go. So now we are going to adjust transparency. Choosing 40 right now, and for the rotation, I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to click Add Watermark. Download this one. All right, as you can see, we have the logo added here. So yeah, basically that's how you're going to add watermark in PDF.